everyone. I am Mr. Short. You're here for Eureka Math Squared, second grade module 5, lesson 14. Today we're on page 75 and we have one problem. Let's get this done so we can go have some fun. All right, read. The red toy car goes 14 feet less than the green toy car. The green toy car goes 32 feet. How many total feet do the two cars go? All right, so this is a 3-step problem. We know that the green toy car goes 32 feet. So we're going to put 32 here, and I'm going to put a G so we know it's the green car. All right, but we don't know how far the red toy car goes. It goes 14 feet less than the green toy car. So we have to subtract, right, because it's less. This is the green car. This is not the red car. This is how much less it goes. The red car will be down here once we find this. So we have 2 minus 4. Well, we can't do that. Yes, we're going to do the old person standard algorithm. If there's more on the floor, right, this is the top, this is the floor, bottom, this is the roof, this is the floor. If there's more on the floor, we're going to go next door and borrow 10 more. So we're going to turn that 12 to a 10. This 3 turns into a 2. So now we have 12 minus 4. Apologies for the announcement.
Good morning, everybody. Staff, just to let you know, students are going to be lining up inside this morning because of the rain. Thank you.
Obviously, it's raining this morning while I'm recording this because that's the announcement for. I apologize about that. Let's get back. So when we take 10 away from the 3, it becomes a 2. So now we have 12 minus 4. What is 12 minus 4? Or 4 plus what equals 12? 8. And we have 2 minus 1 is 1. So that's our red. We need our red right here because it wants to know the total feet the two cars go. Now we add this together. All right, 2 plus 8. That's right, 10. Bring that 1 up here. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Is this our answer? Nope, because you have to put 50 feet. All right, and again at the bottom, write down what you did. Write down how you figured it out. Tell your teacher everything. Make your teacher happy. This will make them the happiest. This should put them over the moon with excitement for how well you've done. All right, that's it for today. I'm Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade module 5, lesson 14. And as always,